So you just went through an automatic car wash. Now what? Well, today we're gonna show you guys 5 quick and easy things you can do to maintain your shine and protection. Let's get started. First things first, we're gonna have to go into the store and grab a couple detailing products. So first things first, we're gonna have to grab a tire shine. So for tire shine, we're gonna go ahead and grab some tire kicker tire shine, water-based dressing, great for the tires and great for the trim. Using our Blazin Banana Spray Wax, this is an excellent spray wax that you can use right after a car wash to enhance the shine and protection of your ride. To make sure our glass is crystal clear, we're gonna grab a bottle of streak-free glass cleaner to make sure that our glass is nice and clean. And these products should cover the exterior. Now we're gonna grab something for the interior. So for the interior, we're gonna grab our total interior. That's gonna work out great on literally everything. Dashboards, door panels, navigation screens, leather, glass, and so much more. Last but not least, hanging air fresheners to top off the ride. So obviously you just washed your vehicle and the paint is clean. Now this is the best time to apply spray wax like Blazin Banana. Let me show you how easy it is to apply. All you gotta do is simply spray the surface and then use 2 premium microfiber towels. You're gonna use one to wipe off the product, and then you're gonna follow it up with the secondary one to buff off any excess of the product and to also buff in that layer of wax shine. And just like that, with Blazin Banana Spray Wax, you're not only gonna enhance the quality of your beautiful paintwork, but it's also gonna protect it against these harsh UV rays. As you can see, they're beating down on my face right now, but your ride is gonna be protected against that, so that way it doesn't cause any kind of damage like fading, discoloration, or cracking. Now, I don't know about you guys, but for me, a car wash is not complete with some tire shine. So that's why we got tire kicker right here. And we're gonna be pairing it with a soft microfiber applicator. To use tire kicker, all you have to do is simply spray some onto a soft microfiber applicator like so. We're gonna start off with about 4 sprays, and then we're gonna start working it in onto the tire. And right away, you guys will see that this enhances the shine of the tire, and it also restores that deep, rich black look all over again. All right guys, so we're all wrapped up with the tires now. Now it's time to move on to the glass. All right, so although our vehicle's already nice and clean on the outside, we still wanna make sure that our glass is crystal clear. So that's why we're gonna be using streak-free glass cleaner. This product is extremely easy to use and it's safe to use on tinted windows. All you have to do is simply spray some directly onto the surface. And today we'll be pairing it with our waffle wave towels. These are great towels to use for cleaning glass because they have a waffle-like texture that's gonna filter out dirt throughout your glass. That way you're not just smearing it around. And then a pro tip when it comes to cleaning glass, always use 2 different towels. One to wipe off the product and one to buff off any excess dirt or grime left behind. And if you have a little bit of extra time, feel free to go and clean your interior right now with Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. The cool thing about Total Interior is that you don't need anything else besides Total Interior and a microfiber towel. Now this product cleans and protects all in one step. All you have to do is grab Total Interior, spray some directly onto a soft microfiber towel, and then wipe the rest. So you can go ahead and use this on navigation screens, dashboards, door panels, leather, vinyl, fabric. We're in the Tesla today, so you can even use it on this vegan leather as well with no problem whatsoever. And like I said, this is gonna safely clean away any kind of dirt, grime, embedded body oil, spills, food, anything like that of that matter. Clean it up and also keep your interior looking nice and brand new. All right guys, so now that we're all done cleaning the interior, now we're just gonna go ahead and top it off with an air freshener. Today we'll be using our hanging air freshener. This is our galactic scent. So all I have to do is simply open up one. If you have the strength for it, tear off the sheet. And then we're gonna go ahead and hang this right on our rearview mirror. And now our wash is complete. All right guys, and there you guys have it. Those were 5 quick and easy things you can do to enhance your ride after an automated car wash. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and if you guys want to check out the Chemical Guys Car Wash for yourself, make sure to come visit us at 21003 Bloomfield Avenue in Lakewood, California. We'll see you guys here. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys. We'll see you on the next video.